Who is this course for? This comprehensive CFO program is meticulously crafted for a wide range of professionals who are keen to deepen their knowledge in financial leadership and strategic management. The course is ideal for current CFOs and senior finance executives to refine their skills, stay current with the latest trends in financial management, and broaden their knowledge base in various areas of corporate strategy and leadership. Aspiring CFOs, mid to senior level finance professionals who aim to step up to a CFO role will find this course beneficial for their career progression. Financial managers and controllers. This course is equally relevant for those in roles responsible for key aspects of financial management and decision-making within their organizations. Professionals in related disciplines. Individuals from consulting, financial advisory, investment banking, private equity, and other finance-related fields will gain from the extensive coverage of strategic and operational finance topics. Entrepreneurs and business owners. For those managing their own businesses, the knowledge and tools provided in this course can offer significant benefits in managing your business's financial strategy and growth. Non-finance executives. For professionals from non-finance backgrounds like HR, marketing, operations, etc., who interact with finance units or participate in strategic decisions, this program can help in understanding and leveraging financial concepts for more informed decision-making. Our program aims to empower each of our participants with the knowledge, skills, and confidence needed to navigate the financial challenges and strategic decisions that are integral to a company's success. Regardless of your background, this course is designed to cultivate your understanding, application, and strategic view of finance, thus equipping you with the comprehensive skill set needed for financial leadership. Thanks for your time and efforts.